this is my Aldi grocery haul for the week. This is the last week of May. So we have a pretty good haul. I spent $45.62, got a lot of good produce, which is great. Strawberries were on sale for $1.99, so I picked up two, or $1.20, one something. It was under $2. Got some eggs. Eggs were $1.99. They're going back up in price, which is not fun. A head of cauliflower, which I'm going to be making a rice cauliflower, like a cauliflower flatbread, which sounds really, it just sounds amazing with cheese and different things like that. So the only thing I'm going to have to count on it is the cheese, so I'm really excited about that. Got some blueberries, were $1.99. Veggies, mixed veggies, California medley, some zucchini, summer squash, rice cauliflower for cauliflower fried rice. Got some lettuce bags. I'm going to have taco salad for lunches this week. Only 4 days worth of lunches. So I got taco salad. Jamie wanted Caesar salad again for dinner one night, so we'll do some chicken with that. Chunky salsa for taco salad, Mexican cheese, extra sharp cheddar. This is for Jamie's lunches. He likes it cut up with his lunch. Some garlic, balsamic vinaigrette. I got some spices, some basil, garlic powder, and paprika. Some penne pasta back there for Jamie's lunches. Some coffee mate, Parmesan chicken tenders. 2 things of the fat-free plain yogurt, not the Greek, just the regular. I use these for breakfast. And then some of the ranch dressing. I like these in recipes, sometimes with my taco meat, like the shredded chicken, or if I'm making ranch dressing with Greek yogurt for to dip in veggies. So that is my all-day haul for the week. Let me know what you guys are having. Again, I spent $45 on all this food for the week. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.